Hello, my chickadees. I am here with lesson number 131, the addition and subtraction of decimals. Trust me, it's gonna be fun. All right, so it's literally what we've always done. Just making sure that there is a decimal point in there, okay? Have you ever added money together? Have you ever subtracted money from money? Well, it's the exact same thing. We just don't need any dollar signs or cent symbols, okay? And there might be more numbers beyond the decimal point, okay? That's about it. The rest of it, easy breezy, lemon squeezy. Okay, that's why I'm not doing all of the problems with you, okay? I'm doing 2 from section 1, 2 from section 2, and then I'll do section 3 and section 4 with you, okay? We'll do section 1 and section 2, and then I'll go over what I consider to be a very awesome reminder of how to associate fractions and decimals, because I told Wisdom this, and now I'm telling you, God really gave that to me. It was a new revelation for how to teach it, and He loves you so much and wants you to really understand this. So He totally blew my mind and gave that to me. Okay, so I'm so happy. Here we go. Grab your handy dandy pencil. Put your name and today's date at the top of the page. For today, it is May 18th, 2020. I'm Miss Caitlin. Who are you? Are you Jillian? Are you Wisdom? Are you El Nathan? Are you Noah? Are you Riley? Are you Lucy? Are you Milot? Who are you? Who are you really? Okay. I'm Miss Caitlin. Here's my blue pencil, because my black one's running out of ink. I write with it so much. All right. Adding and subtracting decimals is just like adding and subtracting numbers. All we have to do is remember there's a decimal point there and bring it down exactly in line with the other ones. Are you ready to rumble? Sounds like a jazz club. Are you ready? Yes, you're ready. Are you ready? Yes, we're ready to add and subtract decimals. Okay, here we go. 6 plus 1 is 7. And 7 plus 2 is 9. And 9 plus 6 is 15. Carry that 1 all the way up to the top there on 1A. 1 plus 1 is 2, and 2 plus 3 is 5, and 5 plus 4 is 9, and 9 plus 8 is 17. Well done, everybody. Carry that 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 8 is 12. 12 plus 2 is 14, and 14 plus 9 is 13. Carry that 2. Oh, that 1 all the way up top there. 1 plus 2 is 3, and 3 plus 7 is 10. 10 plus 3 is 13, and 13 plus 8 is 21. So put that 1 and carry that 2 on top of that 4. 2 plus 4 is 6. Now, all we have to do is bring that decimal point down. Boop. Donezo. Booyah. Here we go. 1B. 8 plus 2 is 10. And 10 plus 7 is 17, and 17 plus 4, 21. Put that 1 in the tenths place, and carry that 2 into your ones place. 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 plus 7 is 14. 14 plus 3 is 17, and 17 plus 9 is 26. Put that 6 in the ones place, carry the 2 to the tens. 2 plus 9 is 11. 11 plus 4 is 15. 15 plus 6 is 21, and 21 plus 1 is 22. Bring that decimal point straight down. You finished it. Awesome. A plus, great job. Now, it's up to you to do 1C, 1D, and 1E. Can you add? Yes, you can. Okay, moving on to section 2. Opposite time. Take away. subtract. It's the same thing, you just put a decimal point. Okay, here we go. 3 minus 5 can't be done because the top number is smaller than the bottom one. So I borrow from the 8 and turn it into 10 tenths. That becomes 7, and I put my 1 over here. 13 minus 5 is 8. 7 minus 7 is 0. And 9 minus 8 is 1. Bring that decimal point straight down. You got it! Are you ready? Yes, you're ready. Are you ready? Yes, we're ready. To subtract decimal points! Okay. 1 minus 2 can't be done because the top number is smaller than the bottom one. So we borrow from the 2 and turn it into 10 100ths. All right, here we go. 2 becomes a 1. There we are. 11 minus 2 is 9. 1 minus 3 can't be done because the top number is smaller than the bottom one. So I borrow from the 6 and turn it into 10 tenths. That becomes a 5. I put the 1 next to my carried number. I mean my new number. My borrowed from number. Okay. 11 minus 3 is 8, right? Right. 5 minus 8 can't be done because the top number is smaller than the bottom one, so I borrow the 1 and turn it into 10 ones. Jeez, how many times are we gonna do that? Okay, 15 minus 8 is 7. 0 minus 0 is 0. Bring that decimal point straight down. Ta-da! Okay, now it's up to you to do 2C, 2D, 2E. Okay? So do coulda of section 1 and coulda of section 2, please. All right, moving on to section 3, which we're going to do together. But first, a quick reminder lesson. How to associate fractions and decimals. Remember, we can have all kinds of denominators, but when you are going in between decimals and fractions, it acts like the metric system. The metric system goes by tens. 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, 1,000,000, okay? We are not going to have funky denominators like 79 or 42. Woo, 42. No, not going to happen. It's going to be all in sets of 10. And so here is my reminder lesson in a different color, okay? So we figure it out. I'm going to put it in green, and there is some space right here. So here I have my decimal point, my first number, my second number, and my third number. Can you see that? Kind of? All right, I'll find my black. Are you ready? Yes, you're ready. Are you ready? Yes, we're ready. That's kind of better. Okay, so the first number, the denominator associated with the first place after the decimal point is 10. The denominator, when you have two numbers, is 100. And the denominator when you have three numbers is 1,000. Okay? Oh my gosh, Miss Caitlin. Whoa. All right, so if you have two numbers, even a 0 and a 7, it's two digits, a 0 and a 7 after the decimal point, your denominator is going to be 100. If you have three numbers like 0, 0, 3, your denominator will be 1,000. If you have just a 9, your denominator is 10. Okay, so that's how we associate those things. That's my quick review. Thank you, Jesus. You gave that to me. All right, here we go. Where is my big roller? Are you ready? Yes, are you ready? Here we go. We need to draw lines associating these mixed numbers with these decimal points. Okay, using our Specialized says stop. Do you have a ruler? You need to use a ruler. Please go get a ruler now. Thank you. Okay. So, 25 and 4/10. 10 is our numerator. So we are looking for a number that has 4 as the only thing after the decimal point. Okay, so 25. Find the 25 on the left. Here's your 25. Decimal point, the number 4. That matches. So 25 and 4/10 is the same thing as 25.4. Here we go. 82 and 7/100. 100 is the denominator, so I know I need to have 2 numbers after my decimal point. So let's look for 82. 82, decimal point, 2 numbers, the number 7. That's it. 82 and 7/100 is the same thing as 82.07. 63 and 45/100. 100 means there needs to be 2 numbers after the decimal point. So we find the 63. Here's 63.45. Brilliant. That's it. Connect them. Beep, 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 beep. 63 and 45/100 is the same thing as 63.45. Here we go. 91 and 7/1000. Our denominator is 1,000. That means we need to have 1, 2, 3 numbers after the decimal point. We're looking for a 7 in the 3rd place. 91.007. That's got to be the match. I draw a line. Okay. 91 and 7/1000 is the same thing as 91.007. Here we go. 16 and 3/10. What? I wrote that wrong. I was like, these don't match. That's because I wrote it wrong. 16 and 3/100. Pow, pow, pow. I mean, it's the last option left, but we can also prove it. 100, 100. I have to have 2 numbers after the decimal point. 3 on top, 0.03. Booyah. That's how you do it. That is how you do it. Oh, whoa. Okay, so now we can associate the metric prefixes with decimal points, okay? We used to do it with fractions, 1/10, 1/100th, 1/1000th. But now we know that this first place is the tenths, the second place is the hundredths, and the third place is the thousandths, okay? They've done it for you in order. We need to have our metric prefixes memorized anyways, but I'll do it like this. So imagine that this is the dividing line. This is your meter, your liter, your gram, okay? 10 meters, your prefix is deca, D-E-C-A. What means 100? Hecto does. Hecto and 100 both share that H. And then kilo. Kilo means 1,000. Deca, hecto, kilo. Did I spell that right? I did. Okay, good. Now going the opposite direction, taking 1 and breaking it up into equal parts. Here we have the deci, the centi, and the milli prefixes. 10, 100, 1,000. Okay? Very good. That's section number 1. That's section number 2. That's section number 3. And that's section number 4. And that is your math lesson for today. I think. Let me double check. Yep, that's it. The next part says review. Okay, if you Haven't memorized that part in section number 6 yet. What? Oh, yeah, the next section is section 5. It's divide and check. You can totally do that. You're fine. Section 6, you're going to find help on page 231, lesson number 128, your introduction to decimals. Okay, so that's your help for section 6. And then you have story problems, which you can totally do. Then you got some other math. You rock. All right. Thank you for coming to school today, and I'll see you tomorrow. Adios, amigos. Hasta